Begins with a smiling Wyatt Howard, who's celebrating his 6th birthday in Stella. Wyatt, a happy birthday with wishes coming from your mom.
All right, Bentley Bauer turning 7 strong this year. It's a good looking picture there, ready for school. Happy birthday, Bentley.
In Seneca, Maddie Miller, she is turning 12. Maddie, happy birthday from Dad, Emma, Chief, and Nanny.
All right, Weston Harris celebrating his entry into the teenage years, 13 for Weston in Jasper, Missouri.
We have another teenager, Elijah Morrison, celebrating number 13 as well. Elijah, a very happy birthday to you in Lamar.
All right, in Joplin, Ellie Hall is sweet 16 this year. Great picture there of Ellie. Birthday was actually yesterday, with love coming from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie.
Ridley Lynn, celebrating her 17th birthday. Lovely Christmas picture right there. Happy birthday to you, Ridley in Altamont.
John Hutto in Crestline, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day.
My man. What up, Doc? Paul Hutsey, absolutely marvelous man right there. Paul, I apologize that the pandemic has gotten in the way of me running into you during your walks, and I'll always enjoy speaking with you, and a very happy birthday. That's a great smile right there too. That's Paul personified. Happy birthday, Mr. Hutsey. And who that is?
The man of the hour.
Our own commercial producer, James Mask, AKA I call him Jimmy Jam. And for those of you that enjoy just sitting down and talking baseball, I am fortunate enough to have that man in my life, because that's what I thoroughly enjoy doing with him right there. Happy birthday, my man.
Hope you have a great day, James. Happy birthday. And next
Get in
on
here
our
to
list,
work. Let's go.
we've got Gayle Moody celebrating a birthday in Frontenac.
Miss Gayle gets a screen all to herself right there. How cool is that? A happy birthday and happy anniversaries to all on this January the 12th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
There's a look at